Hi there, this is Love Johar. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel and thank you so much for watching this video. In this video, we will understand very important concept since all of you are aware that we have AI tools available nowadays and all the organizations, all the companies have started to adopt these tools. So now it is very important that we should have a policy governing AI in the organizations. So here in this video, I will explain you a template that you can use in your organization for AI governance and control. Okay, this video is very important. Please watch carefully. And along with this video, I will also give you the template link already provided in the description so that you can adapt it as per your requirements. So here, as you can see, this is a policy draft for your reference, and you can use this as a starting point for crafting your AI policy for your company, organization, and it will help you to understand how to go for development, deployment, and use of artificial intelligence. So it is a generic general guideline for you, and you should actually customize it. Again, for your reference, the link is already provided in the description of this video so that you can use this template. So here, first of all, you put your organization name and AI policy, purpose and scope. So purpose here is very clear. Here you have to outline the principles and guidelines for the responsible and ethical use of artificial intelligence within your organization. Okay. The purpose is to ensure that AI is used in a manner that aligns with the organization values, adheres to legal and regulatory standards which are applicable to your organization and as per the jurisdiction, and promotes the safety and well-being of stakeholders. Okay. Scope will actually apply to employees, contractual and third parties involved in the development, deployment, and use of the AI system on behalf of your organization. Definitions are important in this case because there are some fields that you have to understand. So we'll start with understanding artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence, what is a AI system, what is machine learning, so that anybody who is reading this policy can understand these terms. Okay, what is data privacy, what is data security, what is a bias is very important. So I will discuss more in the upcoming videos on AI and machine learning. So you have to make sure you clearly mention all these terms. In case any of these terms is not clear, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Then one important point again, friends, is principles. What are the principles governing the AI use in your organization? So you have to make sure that you are developing and using AI in a manner that aligns with the ethical standards. This is very important. Okay. And this is actually part of the regulatory frameworks as well in many of the countries, that you have to ensure transparency, fairness, accountability, and avoiding bias in the AI systems. So you have to incorporate them while designing the AI. Okay. Then data privacy, again very important, and already you have compliances around this, so that's why it should also be there, and you have to make sure you enter it in the policy. Accountability, again very important in this policy. And transparency is again very important when you create any AI system, so that you have clear understanding of what is happening and what all data is used for the testing, development, what all test data is being given to the AI system for the feed. So all this has to be clearly mentioned. Okay. What are the development guidelines? Okay. You have to mention how is the data being collected and used. Okay. And again, it should be used only for the intended purposes and must be conducted in compliance with the privacy laws and regulations. Fairness and bias, again you have to make sure that you have algorithms and ensure fairness in the outcome. Regular audits should be conducted to identify and address any unintended bias, because bias is very important in this case. Why is being mentioned, I think already 3 to 4 times by now, is it depending upon the data, test data which is fed to the AI systems. You have to understand that the bias is under control, okay, for whatever purposes you are using the AI for. So security again has to be designed as per the taking the consideration of AI into account. And you have to make sure you regulate the unauthorized access, data breaches, and any other related security threats. Collaboration also takes a lot of part in this case, because here a lot of data would be fed into the AI systems, so you have to make sure you address that. Deployment and use guidelines, user consent has to be there, okay, in case you are providing deploying AI applications that are impacting them. Human oversight is also important, because you cannot entirely give it to the AI system. There should be some sort of mechanism to intervene or override the system in case of any requirements. Continuous monitoring is very important. They have to be monitored for identifying any issues or changes in the results that they produce, the AI systems, okay. Compliance is important. AI initiatives must comply with the relevant laws, regulations, like I've already mentioned. And violations in this case should have to be again clearly mentioned in the cases where AI is being used. So review and updates has to be an ongoing process in this scenario. So again, a very quick reference, a very quick reference to all of you out there who are trying to develop, deploy, and use artificial intelligence. So this template will actually give you a head start. Again, I have already created a link for you in the description of this video, and please feel free to use this template as a starting point for your policy creation. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.